Welcome to our channel Jabra Coding Knowledge. Today we're gonna learn the new concept MVVM pattern. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, we need to add some libraries to our Gradle. Okay, here these are the libraries. If you want, I will add this library in the description as well. Okay, fine. Firstly, we'll check the how. Firstly, we'll design the folder structure for the better understanding. Okay, here I'm gonna create a new package. Firstly, I'm creating a network. Here we need to add all the network related classes or all those things. Okay, the second I will make the package is second is for data. Here in the data we gonna add all the folder or classes data related. Okay, and the third one is UI. All the UI related stuff we gonna add in this folder. Okay, firstly in the data, let's firstly we're gonna build this application with the single activity. Okay, this is our activity main. Okay, fine. Firstly let's move this activity to UI. Okay, refactor. Okay, also we'll make another fragment inside the UI. Okay, give it name. Let's select the blank fragment and give the name as just I'm giving the for the understanding just I'm giving the login fragment. Okay, here you can check login fragment is created. Okay, fine. Firstly in the data we need to create the first understanding the concept of MVVM. Firstly we need to design some packages over here. Firstly I'm in the data class I'm creating the folder for the repository. Okay, second package is for factory and the third is for view model. Okay, these are the four important folders for us. Okay, firstly repository. Okay, as we have created in the UI folder login fragment, firstly need to create the repository for okay respected fragment. Okay, let's create the new class and I'm giving for the understanding I'm giving name as login only. Okay, login fragment repository. Okay, inside the repository this folder is created. Also I'm creating a view model for that. The new class. Okay, login view model. Okay, also need to make the factory new class login factory. Okay, firstly in the view model class, as this is the view model we must extend with this the view model. Okay, this is the view model. Okay, okay. In the repository, firstly in this repository we need to provide basically the repository is useful for, it is an intermediate between the our database, or if you are using a retrofit, it's gonna work. It helps us to make the intermediate between our API level operations with the our with our project. Okay, fine. Firstly, need to, here in the constructor of repository, we need to give the reference of API. Okay, as I'm not created any API related yet, so in the upcoming video I'm gonna add this. Okay, let's come to our view model. Here, view, in the view model constructor, we need to provide the repository over here. Firstly, need firstly private val repository. We have a login repository, right? Login repository. Okay, fine. Next, let's come to our factory. Okay, fine. The basic use of factory is trees, means our factories helps us to create the object of our view model. So we can use our view model reference all over the application. Okay, firstly, here I need to provide the repository reference. Sorry. Here, firstly, for the creating the reference of view model. Okay, here view, in the view model we have provided the login repository. As same, we need to provide here also private val login repository. Okay, it should be extend with view model provider dot instance new instance factory. Okay, here if we constructor invocation, okay, constructor invocation is remaining. Okay, fine. Override our method create. Okay, here need to provide the, this gonna return, okay, the view model ref object. Okay, here I'm providing the our model login view model, which accepts the repository. Okay, login login repository. Okay, it is as T. Okay, this is our login factory, which is helps us to provide the instance of view model. This in this we can check this fact view model is depend on the factory for creating the objects, and also our view model is dependent on the repository as well. Okay, so this concept is called as the tight coupling. Okay, in upcoming video we gonna design our MVVM pattern with the help of dragger, which helps us to create our application loosely coupled. Okay, so this is the basic structure of our design pattern. This is the folder structure. In the upcoming video we'll learn, we gonna explore the one by one steps of this our project. Okay, fine. So for that, please subscribe our channel and do like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.